Today, we are going to be playing around with one of my childhood dream cars with Mike from 312 Supercars.
What's up, guys?
It's hiding back there. That is a straight-piped Lamborghini Murcielago, and it sounds absolutely insane.
It does. It definitely. Titanium straight pipe system on it. It is absolutely crazy, and it just looks with the doors up right now.
Gosh.
Absolutely sick out the.
All right, let's
Pipes,
go there. This thing is so loud. You feel it more than you hear it, just like in the downshift. Whoa, my voice echoes going through the breezeway. Yeah, so scissor doors, 05 Murcielago Roadster, and HRE wheels, and this thing is just absolutely beautiful. So we will at some point be filming the full cinematic review, doing a full proper review that this vehicle needs and the ownership perspective.
Exactly.
But today we're just kind of hanging out. We'll probably go take it for a drive. I've never driven a Murcielago before. So here it is, Murcielago Roadster. Key has two buttons on it, unlock, lock, flips up to start. HRE wheels on this thing. The top that you have to spend an hour building for the convertible top. Arancio Atlas paint, pre-LP, mid-engine V12, and it has Lamborghini scissor doors. So let's go. Pull a little tab, it rotates up. Look at this thing. All right, now is the test is, can I get in gracefully? At 6'3", 1 foot, okay. Okay, Mike is a lot shorter than me, so let me move the seat all the way back. We'll adjust the steering wheel too. All right, let's close the scissor door. Key in, ignition. This is the good enough seating position for me. Oh, sport mode. All the buttons are like, your window switches are here. The unlock is right there. We've got a Lamborghini ancient sound system. Let's see, the climate control is underneath this cover here. Everything's covered in leather and stitching. All right, the parking brake is on, so I think we put it up. Release that, sport mode, first gear. All right, let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God, the noises. That downshift. We were just driving it, so things are pretty warm. Oh, jeez. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's so hard to see out of this thing. All right, let's go. That downshift is insane. The ergonomics are horrible. My like feet barely fit in the pedal box, and it feels like it's like slightly offset, and it's like hard to see out of. But oh my God, it's so amazing. Yeah, like a new Huracan or a McLaren is way faster, it's more refined, but like the raw feeling of this thing, the excitement, even at low speeds, is just unbelievable. What in the world? Oh my God! gotten to drive a lot of really cool cars, really fast cars, but I don't think anything has matched how raw this thing feels. It is just unbelievable. It's not refined. It's the opposite of that. The ergonomics are quite poor, but the noises it makes, the way it feels, the way looking out of it, it is massively wide and it's so low. I mean, statistically, this thing is as wide as a Chevy Suburban. I'm pretty sure it's wider than the SVR we're following right now. Yeah. Oh my God, no car is going to feel the same after driving something like this. Oh, my hands are like shaking. This is unbelievable. You can tell that the E-gear is not as crisp, not as fast as the modern dual clutch transmissions, or even a modern torque converter automatic. But it almost suits the character of this car so much better. It'll give you quick downshifts. This scream is unbelievable. Oh my God, thank you for making naturally aspirated V12s Lamborghini. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Oh. One more little pull. Oh my God. Those downshifts aren't the fastest, but they might be some of the best sounding. With E-gear, you pull both pedals back and puts in your neutral, the right one first gear, and you can start going. I have both the windows all the way down right now. Hear what it sounds like. This is just partial throttle. Cruising in a Murcielago. Oh, no, I haven't had this big of a smile on my face after driving a car in a long time. This is unbelievable. The whole car vibrates. It's noisy. You hear that giant V12 behind you. Oh my God. Pop it into neutral. Coming to a stop. My hands are just shaking. This is insane. Absolutely insane. I have no words. Looking out of it. Whoa! That SVR sounds really dang good too! We are back. My hands are shaking. I haven't had such a massive smile on my face while driving a car in a while. It is just absolutely insane. Compared to an Aventador, it's more rough, but it almost is more exciting because of that. I don't want to say an Aventador feels like smooth or refined in any way, but this thing is a monster, and absolutely that straight pipe titanium exhaust from B.Rogue Built adds to the experience. It screams. It sounds unbelievable. Holy crap. That was absolutely amazing. Straight piped Lamborghini Murcielago Roadster. Go follow Mike at 312 Supercars.
Thank you.
There will be more videos filmed with this. We'll do the full cinematic intro. We'll do the full review, the full review. This is just my first chance getting to actually drive it. Thank you very much. That was...
Yeah, anytime. It was honestly my first time hearing it outside. Yeah. And even hearing from like the driver's perspective of this, it's just absurd. It hurts your ears.
It does. So now you understand what I was like for me driving next to it. I couldn't hear my RS7. I like did a pull. He was doing a pull. I'm like, I might as well be driving a Tesla at that point. There was no sound. This is absolutely insane. There's other toys that we'll be making videos of. Yeah. This is going to be amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed that point of view drive of a Lamborghini Murcielago. Oh my God.
I love it.
Dude. This is my authentic reaction. It's blown my mind. I'm not going to be able to drive any sports cars and for a while after this without them feeling completely dull and boring. With that, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.